Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon. This is a mixture of baking soda and vinegar, white vinegar. And I will be using this one to clean this sink over here. So this is mixed already. So to loosen or clean this one, you just wipe it like this. Okay, just wipe it like that. And as you can see, the smudge on the sink is actually gone. Okay, you see it, guys? It's clean already. It's white. It's white. And I'll try to wash this one with clean water. And as you can see, all the smudge on the sink is already gone. So by using what we call this baking soda and white vinegar, this is very good for cleaning sink like this, because you cannot just make this one as white as possible just by just using the ordinary soap. Okay, so it's clean already. I'll be using also this one to clean this tub over here. Okay, they got some blemishes. So again, I will be cleaning this one by using a combination of mixture of baking soda and vinegar. Okay, it looks white now. See, it's easy to scrub the sides because for a long time this tub here is not being used. Okay. Whether we like it or not, this one got smudge and weeds. The ordinary soap could not remove it. Okay. I'm scrubbing this one with a sponge, soak and the combination mixture of baking soda and vinegar. Okay. I'll try to clean that one by using a fresh water here. Okay. It looks clean now. See? See how clean it is? It's clean, guys. Then I'll wipe this one with the cloth. And as you can see it, okay, the tub is already cleaned in just a very short time by using a mixture of baking soda and vinegar. Good morning from, or good afternoon from Los Angeles. This is Professor David J. Delicious.